Alright, let's move into lesson 4, combining factors. I'll highly encourage you to actually just click the Get Notebook and so that you can actually walk along, walk through the codes together and just to see how factors can be combined. Now, factors can be combined both with other factors and with scalar values as well via any of the built-in mathematical operators. Now take for example, we have two factors here. F1 is some factor and F2 is some other factor. If we take an average of F1 and F2, which is F1 plus F2 divided by 2, in this lesson we will create a pipeline that creates a percentage difference or percent difference. So I'm just going to go over to the notebook and I'll let you read this because basically the notebook will look exactly the same. So here we mentioned this earlier, so let's look at the codes that we need to input. Yes, we do need to import pipelines. We also need to import run pipeline, and we need to import the US equity price. That's where our built-in data is. You have to consider the computation that you are doing. In this case, we are doing two simple moving average, so just the US equity price is fine. Here you need to import from the factors sublibrary the simple moving average. So you run this and here we have defined two variables. One is the moving close 10 days and the other one is moving close 30 days. And as you can see, it's carry on from our earlier tutorial. You just need to define the input data, which is the close price here, as well as the window length. We define as 10 days as well as 30 days. So we'll run that as well. And the next thing is that we want to calculate the percent difference factor by combining the two. So the percent difference here really is you take one minus the other and then divide it by 30 here. So here we take the 10-day mean close or 10-day simple moving average minus the 30-day simple moving average, and then the result you divide it by 30-day simple moving average, and you run that. Hopefully there's no error. Here in this example, percent difference is still factor, even though it is composed as a combination of more factors or primitive factors here states. We can add percent difference as a column in our pipeline. So let's just define make pipeline to create a pipeline with percent difference as a column and not the mean close factors. Here we have defined the two mean close for 10 days as well as 30 days simple moving average, and we calculate the percent difference. And here really we only want to return one item, which is the percent difference. This is the name that we specify for our column, as well as we attach the variable percent difference, which we calculated here. So if we run the pipeline and we can see what it looks like. Again, you run pipeline, you refer to the so-called function you defined earlier and the period that you want to run it for. So 2015 May 5th to 2015 May 5th, and this is what you actually get in terms of the output. Right, so that's really the lesson on combining factors. In the next lesson, we're going to